Okay, so we have les verbes. The first verb we have verb faire. The verb faire means the verb to do. This is how we conjugate it. Je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, elles font. It just means I do, you do, he does, she does, we do, you do, they do. Je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait. Nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, elles font. Okay, now everything you want to talk about according to what you want to do, what is your activity. So in this case, you use a different approach. In this case, we say, je fais de la cricket. Okay? But cricket is a masculine name. Sorry, feminine name. In this case, tu fais du piano. Means you play piano. Il fait de la danse. Okay? This one helps to tell about activities. Nous faisons du jardinage. It means we garden in a different form because it would never translate the same. We do the garden or we are gardening. Vous faites du sport. Means you play sport. Okay?